Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing some coloring today. In my last video I said that my hair color was lasting a long time, and the color has, but I feel like the dimension has gone away a little bit. So what I want to do is kind of just make almost like reverse highlights of darker red colors so that these vibrant red colors contrast with darker red colors as opposed to it just looking like it's all one color. This will be my first time trying this. I've never really done like reverse highlights before, and I've never used a door. So I'm going to be using this color in the color Rich Amber. And I'm just going to be taking pieces and making them slightly darker so that the red that's lighter stands out more. Now, in lighting and different lighting, it's hard to tell what my hair color is because from what I see right now, it looks like it's a darker red. But then when I go in the light, it's super bright, as you can see. So being that that's like more of the natural color in daylight, I'm going to darken up some of these so that the light strands are visible against the darker strands. So I'm going to color my hair dry. And I washed my hair about 3 days ago, so I'm not going to wash it again because I really haven't put that much product in it. So we're just going to go ahead, start parting my hair, and get started on this coloring. are back, and this is one day after coloring my hair. So I went to sleep, I styled my hair, and here we are. I don't know if you can see too well just because there's not too much light. Like, I'm in front of the window, but there's still a bit of light missing. But I love the way these highlights came out because it's subtle. Like, it's not something that's so drastic, but you can see that there's different strands from what we colored. So like these curls are a little bit darker than, let's just say, the curls that are down here or over here. So I think that we did a good job, or I did a good job. My hair feels super soft. I definitely deep conditioned my hair after I colored it, and then I put some moisturizer in it just to make sure that it was super soft. But the low lights are evident, they're obvious, so that's good because that's what I wanted. Now there's more dimension in my hair, and we're back in business.